You're probably convinced you need tens of thousands of dollars saved up to buy a home right here in Hamilton County. But that's simply not true. As of mid-2025, the median home price in Westfield is around $470,000. And for Hamilton County, it's about $430,000. Thinking of a 20% down payment on those numbers, that's over 85 grand. What if I told you there was a powerful Indiana program that can help you cover your down payment, even bringing it down to zero? Welcome, future homeowners. The dream of owning a home in beautiful Westfield or anywhere across vibrant Indiana is more attainable than you think. Many aspiring buyers get stuck on that initial hurdle, the down payment. It feels like an insurmountable mountain, doesn't it? But here in Indiana, especially for first-time buyers, we have some incredible, often overlooked programs designed to help you clear that hurdle and step into homeownership. Today, we're going to break down these fantastic opportunities, making them easy to understand and even easier to access. Let's start with the big national players, then jump down into incredible state-specific options from the IHCDA. Federal loans, flexible paths to homeownership. These are widely available and offer much lower down payment requirements than traditional conventional loans. They're excellent starting points for many first-time homebuyers. There's FHA Loans, standing for Federal Housing Administrative. What is it exactly? An FHA loan is a mortgage insured by the FHA. This insurance protects the lender, making them more willing to offer loans to buyers with lower credit scores or smaller down payment. The down payment advantage? You only need a 3.5% down payment if your credit score is 580 or higher. So for a home around $400,000, that's just $14,000, a significant difference from 20%. Wouldn't you agree? And if your score is between 500 and 579, you need 10% down. So here's the key benefits: lower credit score requirements, more forgiving than conventional loans, often accepting scores as low as 500, again with some conditions, to 580 on up. A flexible debt to income ratio, which is called DTI. It allows for slightly higher DTI ratios, and in some cases, meaning your existing debt might not be as big of a barrier. Then there's sellers' contributions. Sellers can contribute toward your closing costs, which is a huge help. Things to note: FHA loans do require mortgage insurance for the life of the loan or until you refinance it into a different loan type, which is an added monthly cost. But for many, it's a small price to pay to get into a home sooner. Here's an action step: get pre-approved by a local lender specializing in FHA loans. They can quickly tell you if you meet the criteria and the income criteria. Let's connect and discuss which lenders would best suit you. USDA Loans, U.S. Department of Agriculture is what it stands for. What it is, these loans are designed to promote home ownership in designated rural areas. The down payment advantage here: this is 100% financing, meaning zero down payment for eligible borrowers. Yes, you heard me right, zero cash out of your pocket for a down payment. And the key benefits is just that: no down payment. This is the biggest draw to a USDA loan. Low interest rates. There's often competitive rates here, so definitely check the eligibility. And talking about eligibility, location, location, location. The property must be in a USDA designated rural area. Now, when you think rural in Indiana, don't just think cornfields. Many suburbs are outlying areas around Hamilton County actually qualify. So it's definitely worth checking into. For example, parts of Cicero, Arcadia, or Sheridan, while still close to amenities, might be eligible. Again, our connection to figure out what area suits you best is going to be our goal. Let's talk about the income limits. There are income limits based on household size and location. So this program is geared towards low to moderate income earners. The action you want to take here, check the USDA's eligibility map online or with your local lender to help you find the properties within the Westfield, Hamilton County, or Indiana areas. We'll help you find what qualifies. And then we've got VA Loans, Department of Veterans Affairs. What is it? A fantastic benefit for eligible active duty service members, veterans, and surviving spouses. The down payment? Like USDA, VA loans often offer 100% financing, meaning zero down payment. The key benefit, again, no down payment, a huge relief for military families. Also, no mortgage insurance. Unlike FHA, VA loans typically don't require monthly mortgage insurance. Usually among the lowest interest rates are available with VA-style loans. The eligibility, it does require a certificate of eligibility from the VA themselves. This proves your service meets the requirements. Action step here, if you're a veteran or an active service member, explore your VA loan eligibility. This program is truly one of the best ways to purchase a home with no money down. Again, let's connect you with the right local lender that could specify that VA loan program. Then we've got Indiana Housing and Community Development Authority. These programs are your local superheroes. These are Indiana's secret weapons for first-time home buyers, often designed to work with FHA or conventional loans to provide down payment and closing cost assistance. The First Place program. This program is specifically for first-time homebuyers or those who haven't owned a primary residence in the past 3 years, with some exceptions for veterans in specific target areas. It's designed to help with upfront costs. The big down payment advantage. This can offer up to 6% of the home's purchase price for your down payment and or closing costs. This comes from a forgivable second mortgage. The key benefits here: significant assistance. For a $400,000 home, 6% is $24,000. That can completely cover an FHA down payment and then some closing costs. Forgivable loan. This is huge. The second mortgage is completely forgiven after 9 years as long as you live in the home and don't refinance. There's no monthly payments on that second mortgage. The eligibility of this one, first-time homebuyer status. Generally, you must be a first-time homebuyer right here in Indiana. The credit score, the requirements here are 640 with a DTI of 45%. So if you have questions of where you are on DTI, where you are percentage-wise, again, we must connect, put you in touch with the right people and answer those questions. And we've got the income limits. Household income limits apply, which vary by county and family size. These limits are updated annually, so your lender will check the most current figures for Hamilton County. Home price limits. There are also purchase price limits based on location. Be mindful. Here's our action step. If you meet the first-time home buyer criteria and are looking in Westfield or Hamilton County, this program is a must explore. The forgivable nature of the assistance is incredibly powerful. Next, home program. What is this one? Similar to First Place, but this program is available to both first-time and repeat home buyers, making it more flexible for those who have owned before but need assistance. So here's the down payment advantage. Offers 3.5% of the purchase price for down payment and or closing costs. This also comes as a forgivable second mortgage. Some of the key benefits: broader eligibility, not limited to just first-time homebuyers. Forgivable sooner. This assistance is forgiven after just 2 years, as long as you've lived in the home and don't refinance. That's a much shorter forgiveness period than First Place. This is a big bonus, you guys, because you can potentially layer this with a mortgage credit certificate, which we're going to talk about in just a minute here, but for even more financial benefit. The eligibility, credit score. Similar credit score requirements as First Place, around 640, 680 on up. And the income limits, Home price limits also subject to these very counties. So let's talk action steps. If first place doesn't quite fit, or you're not a first-time home buyer but still need down payment assistance, Next Home is a fantastic option with a rapid forgiveness period. Mortgage credit certificate. We just talked about it, but what is it? This isn't direct cash for a down payment, but it's a powerful tool that puts money back in your pocket every single year. The advantage here, it's a federal income tax credit for up to $2,000 of the mortgage interest you pay each year. Let's break it down from there. It directly reduces your federal income tax liability. This isn't a deduction, it's a dollar for dollar credit. This means more money in your take-home pay or a larger tax refund. It effectively increases your qualifying income too, helping you qualify for more homes. The key benefits, you have an annual savings plan, puts up to $2,000 back into your budget annually for the life of the loan, as long as you live in the home. It can be combined, often combined with Next Home and other programs for maximum benefit. And generally, this is first-time home buyers. There's also with veterans and target area exceptions and subject to income and purchase price limits. There is typically an upfront fee for the MCC, but the annual savings usually far outweigh. The action item here, consider combining this with your down payment assistance program. Think about it as a bonus that keeps on giving year after year. As you can see, there are incredible resources right here in Indiana to help you achieve home ownership. Whether you're looking in Westfield, Carmel, Noblesville, or anywhere else in Indiana or the world, don't let the idea of a massive down payment stop you. If you're ready to explore which of these programs is right for your unique situation, don't hesitate, guys. Just ask Justak. Reach out to me today or simply scan the QR code on your screen right now. This is going to help you browse homes with the premier web search right here in Indiana. Let's make your home ownership dream a reality. Navigating the path to home ownership, especially as a first-time home buyer, can be overwhelming. But with programs like the FHA, USDA, VA, and our incredible IHCDA options like First Place Next Home and the MCC, the support is truly there. These aren't just obscure programs, they are real, tangible ways to get your down payment covered and make the dream of owning a home in Hamilton County into a reality. Remember, the goal isn't just to buy a house, it's to find your home, your place in a thriving community like Westfield. And the trust you build with the right real estate partner is key to unlocking these benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more insights into Hamilton County and all of Indiana real estate, and comment down below to this. What's the biggest hurdle you faced so far in your home buying journey? I'd love to hear from you. And here's the champion's final fact. Average home value is still significantly below the national median, making these down payment assistance programs even more impactful for achieving affordable home ownership right here in the Hoosier State. Your time is now to become the next champion of real estate. Are you ready?
Space. Well, you know who to call, but I don't need to say it. Just ask Justak. Just ask Justak. You should just ask Justak. Just ask Justak. You should just ask Justak. You should just ask.